Hello and welcome to EGMAT. We will solve question 24 of OG Verbal 2nd edition by using EGMAT 3-step process. In the first step, we will understand the meaning of the sentence. In the second, we will evaluate the errors in the sentence. And finally, we will review all the answer choices to get to the correct answer. So let's begin. In recent years, cattle breeders have increasingly used crossbreeding, in part that their steers should acquire certain characteristics and partly because crossbreeding is said to provide hybrid vigor. Now this sentence presents a fact. It says that cattle breeders have increasingly used crossbreeding, and there are two reasons stated to support this fact. These reasons are the cattle breeders want their steers to acquire certain characteristics and crossbreeding is said to provide hybrid vigor. Now let's evaluate the errors by splitting the sentence into clauses. So here comes the first one. In recent years, cattle breeders have increasingly used crossbreeding. In part that here, cattle breeders is the subject and have used is the verb. Presence of that marks the presence of another clause. It reads, their steers should acquire certain characteristics, and here their steers is the subject and should acquire is the verb. After and we have another subject verb pair, which means another clause, and it reads partly because crossbreeding is said to provide hybrid vigor. Here crossbreeding is the subject and is said is the verb. Now in this sentence, this expression should acquire is little awkward, and it also fails to denote the intended meaning of the sentence. The intended meaning here is that cattle breeders use crossbreeding because they want their cattle to acquire certain characteristics. But the way this sentence has been written, it now suggests that the cattle breeders use crossbreeding as if it is a diktat or a rule written somewhere that cattle must acquire some characteristics for which the cattle breeder use crossbreeding. This is not the correct way of stating a reason. For example, take this example. Mary takes her child to dance classes because her child should learn dancing. Now here the expression should learn dancing suggests that maybe it's a rule that Mary's child must learn dancing, and that is the reason why Mary takes her child to dance classes. This is not the correct way of writing it. The correct way of expressing reason is Mary takes her child to dance classes so that her child learns dancing. Now this sentence correctly and clearly expresses the reason why Mary takes her child to dance classes. So this expression should acquire leads to the meaning error in this sentence. Also, mark that in the third clause, which is the non-underlined portion of the word, partly has been used. But in the first clause, the expression in part that has been used. That means the two reasons are logically parallel, but they are not grammatically parallel, and this leads to the parallelism error in this sentence. So we must change in part that to partly to make it parallel. Now let's run the POE and find out what's the correct answer. Well, choice A is not the correct answer as we discussed just now. In choice B, we see that the same error has been repeated. In part is still not grammatically parallel to partly. So choice B is not the correct answer. In choice C, we see that this expression because of distorts the meaning of the sentence. Now, the choice denotes that the cattle breeders have increased the use of crossbreeding because their steers have already acquired certain characteristics. This choice actually reverses the reason for using crossbreeding. It says that first, the cattle have acquired certain characteristics, and then the cattle breeders use crossbreeding, which is certainly not the intended meaning of the sentence. So this choice is not correct. Let's take a look at choice D. Here again we have this expression should be acquired by their steers, which means again that it is a kind of a diktat or a rule that the steers must acquire certain characteristics as we discussed in error analysis. So this is not the correct expression. Also, the intention of the cattle breeders to use crossbreeding is to get certain results. So this intention must be expressed in two verb form. So should be acquired must be written as to acquire to clearly communicate the intention of the cattle breeders. Also, choice D is little wordy because this passive construction, certain characteristics should be acquired by their steers, uses more words than the active construction. So, for these reasons, choice D is not correct. Now we are left only with choice E, and it is the correct answer because now should acquire has been changed to acquire, which clearly denotes the intention of the cattle breeders why they use crossbreeding, and also now partly is grammatically parallel to the partly in clause 3. So choice E is the correct answer for this sentence. Time for takeaway messages. In the questions pertaining to parallelism, we must be able to identify the correct list and also make sure that all the elements in the list must be logically as well as grammatically parallel to each other. Also, it's very important to understand the correct meaning of the sentence because it's the correct meaning of the sentence that will lead us to the correct answer choice. The concepts tested in this sentence have been covered in e-GMAT concepts, level 1 significance of meaning, level 1 parallelism identify and correct, and level 1 parallelism helpful tips.